Students, welcome to third chapter, that is business environment. This is the third chapter. Name of the chapter is business environment. This chapter carries 5 marks, means one question for 1 mark that comes under section A, and one question for 4 marks that comes from section C. So 1 plus 4, 5 marks are compulsory. And practical question from each section which may come or which may not come. So, but these 5 marks are compulsory. So after knowing the weightage of marks on this chapter, now we are going to know what we mean by business environment. What is business environment? So business environment, meaning here you can see it means the sum total of all individuals, institutions and other forces that are outside the control of business enterprise but that may affect its performance. See, it may be the individual, it may be the institutions, or other than these two, any other forces. These forces are outside the control of business. That means business may not able to control these forces which are going to be happening. But due to these forces, the performance of the business is going to be affecting. So that is what about a business environment. The economic, social, political, technological and legal force and other forces which operate outside the business enterprise, and these are part of its environment. These are technically also called as dimensions of business environment. So while studying the meaning, we have come across individual forces, institutions and any other forces which are going to affecting the working style of the business organization, business environment, right? So what is that source, or what are those forces here? Economic source or economic factor, social force or political or technological or legal force. Other than these, any other forces which are outside the business enterprise and are part of its environment. So this economic force includes what? Interest rates, inflation rates, value of rupee and many more are the economic factors that can affect management practices in a business enterprise. Similarly, in case of social force, this includes customs and traditions, values, social trends, that is customers likes and dislikes, fashions, style. All these are social forces. Similarly, technological forces. These includes what? Scientific improvements and innovations, that we can call it as research and development. So you might have aware of that is digital India. Similarly, political forces are also there, and this political force includes political conditions such as stability and peace in the government. This legal environment force includes various legislations passed by government authorities and court judgments. So these are what the various factors or the various forces. Business has to work out, business has to operate, it has to perform its activities with these factors. And while performing business, its activities, these are the forces which are going to be affecting the working style of a business organization and the total of all these factors we considered as what a business environment. So when we talk about business environment is what the outcome of all these factors or the total of all these factors, that is business environment. Here one more time, it includes what total of all individuals. All individuals includes what maybe the customers, investors, employees. These are then institutions, competitors are there. So one company, another company, third company, fourth company, five company. There are so many institutions are came into existence. They are coming into the marketing field. So we can see competition. Then other than these individual and institutions, there are other forces are also going to make impact in the business. For example, right now we all are experiencing COVID-19. So due to this also, the business organization or the business enterprise or the business environment is affected. So this is what about business environment. Now we are going to study features of business environment. Features of business environment. The first feature, that is totality of external force. Totality of external forces. This means business environment is the sum total of all things external to business firms and as such is aggregative in nature. This means the sum total of external forces. External means outside the control of business. Business does not have control over all these external forces. These external forces may be the competition, it may be the technology, it may be the political condition, right? So these, so on which business does not have any control. It is easy for managers to understand the impact of individual force but difficult to grasp in totality. For example, due to promotion of digital India, online business will move forward, but whether competition level will remain same. So competition will not decrease, competition will be remain the same in India or in all over the India or any state of the India or even all over the world, the competition will remain the same. The second one, that is specific and general force. Business environment includes specific forces as well as general forces. Now, what are these specific forces? What it includes? Those factors which will affect the business directly, or in other words, it affects our business only, and such forces are considered as what specific forces. For example, if employees of Guru Company Limited are going on strike, then it will be affect the business of Guru Company Limited only and not in any other company. So that is what about a specific force. Its impact on only in one company or in one factory or in only one organization, because the reason is specific, which affects only in that business organization. So the example here given, uh, investors, customers, competitors, and suppliers. The second one, that is general forces. General forces, those factors which affect entire industry. Such factors considered as what? General forces. So general forces are those forces are the factors which are going to affect the working style of all the organization. That means the entire industry. For instance, due to introduction of goods and service tax, that is GST, the impact will come on entire industry, on entire business environment. Even we could remember demonetization which was taken place uh, in the year 2016 November 8th. So this is now the third one, third feature, that is interrelatedness. Interrelatedness. Elements of business environment are interrelated. That means a small change in one company or a factory may have long-term impact on a business organization. For example, in India, due to increase in awareness for yoga, the demand for khadi products, yoga trainers have drastically increased. Special institutions are coming in front to provide special knowledge of yoga. Many people are providing yoga classes and it has emerged as new source of livelihood. However, it may put long-term impact on business of gyms. So one more example you may see here in this, increased life expectancy of people and increased awareness for health care have increased the demand for many health products and services like diet cookie, fat-free cooking oil, and health resorts. New health products and services have in turn changed people's lifestyle. So this is the third one. Now fourth one, dynamic nature. Business is working almost in a dynamic nature. That means things are not in static. The changes are going to be taken place. Here it is, business environment is dynamic in that it keeps on changing, whether in terms of technological improvement, shifts in consumer preferences, or entry of a new competition in the market. So business environment is not static. It keeps on changing in terms of consumer awareness, extent of competition, technology, government policy, even social values, social trend, that is customers likes and dislikes. All these are factors. For example, 10 or 15 years ago, business used to accept payments in cash only. However, in today's environment, business needs to provide all facilities like online banking, that is e-wallets for receiving payments from customers. So you know about this Google Pay, PhonePe, Amazon Pay. So these are the wallets through which we can transact. That means payment can be made or payment can be received. So this is what about dynamic nature. So business is working with all these changes. Next one, complexity. Business environment is a complex phenomenon that is relatively easier to understand in parts but difficult to grasp in its totality. It may be difficult to know the extent of the relative impact of the social, economic, political, technological, legal factors on change in demand of products in the market. That means, due to all these factors, the working style of the business organization is going to be changing. One or another way, it is going to be changing. So, but at what extent these are going to be changed, it is too difficult to estimate or understand. So, the next one, relativity. Relativity. Business environment is a relative concept. Means it differs from place to place, business to business, country to country. For instance, in India, Diwali festivals provides more business opportunities for many business except education industry. One more example, if you see, demand for electric cars are high in USA and UK, but not in Nepal and Bhutan. So these are what the example for the relativity concept or the relativity as a feature of a business environment. So these are considered as the features of a business environment. One more time, totality of external forces. There are some external forces business does not have control over which, but these are going to affecting the atmosphere of a business condition. The second one, specific and general forces. So business environment consists of specific forces and general forces. Specific forces are directly affecting to the organization, whereas general forces are going to affecting universally to the business organizations. Then interrelatedness. Next, dynamic in nature. Next one, complexity. Next one, relativity. So these are what uh, features of or characteristics of business environment. So we may add one more concept, that is uncertainty. Uncertainty. What is this uncertainty? What is this uncertainty? Uncertainty means we cannot predict. That means business environment is highly uncertain. Sometimes changes in business environment are so constant or instant that it doesn't provide any opportunity for adjustments. For example, demonetization. The unexpected step of government affected almost all the business in short run without providing any opportunities for adjustments. Right? So these are what features of a business environment. So you may get question on this for 4 marks question. So what is that? Explain briefly the various features of business environment. So according to your textbook, so these are the features have been given, which are totality of external forces, specific and general forces, interrelatedness, then dynamic nature, then complexity, then relativity. So out of these you better to remember any 4 and 3 to 4 sentence explanation. If example necessary, you have to explain. So this is what about features of business environment and meaning of business environment. So we shall meet in our next online class, that is on coming Thursday. Thank you. Sorry, Friday.